Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about decompression sickness, or it has Cassian's bend. It is a condition when dissolved gases coming out of solution into bubbles inside the body on depressurization. To make it easy, let's talk with an example. When we scuba dive with compressed air, you take in extra oxygen and nitrogen. Our body uses the oxygen, but nitrogen is dissolved into our blood, where it remains during a dive. As we swim back towards the surface after a deep dive, the water pressure around us decreases. If this transition occurs too quickly, the nitrogen does not have time to clear from our blood and forms bubbles in our tissues or blood. It is the nitrogen bubbles that causes decompression sickness. The condition so called bends because the joints and bone pains can be so severe they double you over. What happens inside your body during decompression sickness is similar to what happens when you open a carbonated drink. When you open a carbonated drink, you decrease the pressure surrounding the beverage in the container, which causes the gas to come out of liquid in the form of bubbles. If nitrogen bubbles form in your blood, same as that of the carbonated foam or fizzy part, they can damage blood vessels, block blood flow. The divers must ascend slowly. If they ascend fast, the inert gases comes out of your blood too quickly, or the diver's blood too quickly, creating bubbles. To prevent the excess formation of bubbles that can lead to decompression sickness, divers limit their ascent rate by their basic personal dive computer. This event of decompression is governed by Henry's law. This law states that the amount of gas dissolved is directly proportional to pressure of that gas in the liquid. At sea depth, pressure increases. Therefore, saturation of inert gases like nitrogen, helium, which is mixed in your gas cylinder, also increases. You can see in the pic that the person is saturated with inert gas. While he ascends rapidly, the inert gas does not have sufficient time to leave the diver's blood. Yeah, this is the pic. Yeah, an interesting pic. Hats off to the diving unit of the navies of all the world. They are working very hard to keep the machinery fit and fine. Hope you can be one of them if you try. The above or the right hand side and golden one. This is the diverse batch of Indian Armed Forces to which only few qualify. Note that one. Yeah, at last we come to the end. This is the IDA suit for the submariners. This helps them to escape from a submarine which is in emergency situation. So this is the end of today's class, and thank you very much.